For Wi-Fi settings, go to Menu, select Settings, select Wireless Controls, click Wi-Fi Settings, tick Wi-Fi, select the network that you wish to tap on, and key in the password. Select Done, click Connect, you are now connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now let's move on to conserve battery. Select Menu, click Settings, select Wireless Controls, select Mobile Networks. You are able to conserve battery energy by selecting Use Only 2G Networks. Now let's move on to change ringtones. Click Manual, select Music, select Songs, play the music that you wish to set as ringtone. Tap the arrow up button, select Use as ringtone. Now this song will be your ringtone. Now let's move on to Bluetooth headset pairing. Go to Menu, select Settings, select Wireless Controls, select Bluetooth Settings, tick Bluetooth, tick Discoverable, scan for devices, pair with the device, you have now successfully paired your phone with the headset.